peace shall depict our city as a true melting pot of people where the assimilation of Filipino and local Chinese arts and culture have colorfully intertwined. The mural shall also be our distinct contribution to help promote the creative community of the city, as well as support artists to express their creativeness and showcase their talents. We are hopeful that this novel project will enrich mutual understanding of people to understand and appreciate the blending of the two unique cultures and promote peace and unity to all.
We acknowledge through the humble leadership of Mayor Magalong that the government cannot do it alone. So we really value itong mga partnerships that we have with the private sector. So maraming salamat po, sir. Ipagpatuloy po natin lahat ng mga artists nandito. Maraming salamat po for all your contributions.
We hope this will be the first of a series. Chino and Edmond intimated at sana may susunod pa dito.
We want to pay tribute, homage to the rich Filipino-Chinese ancestry in the city of Baguio. Sabi nga namin ang mga Chinese went here pre-war pa, as early as 1918, baka earlier than 1918 pa. And this mural will just say thanks na, you made a lot of contributions to the city. Yun ang gusto namin, and wala nang iba.